Hello students, today I am going to teach Business Studies Chapter 1 Nature and Significance of Management 4 marks question. Let us see. Company X is facing lot of problems these days. It manufactures white goods like washing machine, microwave ovens, refrigerators and air conditioners. The company's margins are under pressure and the profits and the market share are declining. The production department blames marketing for not meeting sales target and marketing departments blames production department for producing goods which are not of good quality meeting customers expectations, and the finance department blames both the production and marketing for declining return on investment and bad marketing. State the quality of management that the company is lacking, and what quality of management do you think the company is lacking. Explain briefly what steps should the company management take to bring the company back on a track. This question is bit complicated. Let us see the answer. First, let us see. Company X is lacking the essential management quality of coordination means the company there is no coordination between the workers, between the departments, which is important for integrating means combining the functions of different departments towards common organizational goals. The visible blame game among marketing, production and the finance highlight poor internal cooperation. There is no cooperation between the departments and ineffective teamwork. Key factors leading to declining margin, profits, and market share. Next point, see, missing management quality. There is a missing of coordination. Coordination is about harmonizing. Harmonizing means pleasing the activities and goals of various departments. So they operate effectively as one unified entity rather than being isolated. Here they are unified. It means they are separate rather than being isolated means being together. Groups without coordination, department work is low, resulting in poor production quality. Sorry, resulting in poor product quality, not able to meet the sales target, and the declining return on investment. So, the main concept is there is no coordination between the departments, so there is a decline in investment. Next, steps to bring back company into track. What are the steps they have to follow to uh, come back? First point is create a collaborative environment where departments work together instead of blaming each other, sharing responsibilities and solution. Second point is implementing regular cross departmental meetings means there should be regular meetings between the departments to discuss targets, challenges and strategies, ensuring all stakeholders are aligned with company objectives. Everyone should work towards to achieve the goals of the uh, organization. And third point is review and confirm existing incentive plans to encourage performance tied to overall company success, not just by departmental targets. They have to keep on review means keep on confirming what is their next plan, what is then they have to get ready with their plan ABC. And fourth point is set measurable shared goals for all departments and clarify expectation for each team. For each team, they have to divide their work and give task that they have to do the task and achieve this goal. They have to do that task and achieve that goal. They have to set measurable goals. Fifth point is use business management and coordination software to automate and streamline interactions, making performance tracking and commitment easier. The main point is the coordination. Every team, everyone in the organization to have to coordinate, and the managers who are the head of their organization, they should keep on tracking the performance of each department. Sixth point is Tighten operational efficiencies by streamlining process and focusing on core competencies, especially reducing waste and improve product quality to meet customer needs. Means focusing on a they have to focus on the production, how to increase their production, and how in the market they can compete with other organizations. They have to reduce their waste. They should not waste their time, their resources, and their materials, and they should improve their product quality so that they can attract the customers. Sixth point is leadership. Should leadership should encourage open communication channels across departments for timely feedback on problem and quick resolution. Leaders should always be seeing, they should communicate with their workers, with the departments, and they have to oversee their work, and they should get feedback, what are the problems are have been facing in the organization. They should get the feedback, and they should resolve it quickly. And let us see the summary of this question. Restoring coordination and teamwork across the company will directly improve internal effectiveness and help company X reserve its decline in performance. They have to they have to be together. There should be the coordination within the departments and the teamwork within the people. Thank you, students. If you have any other doubts, you can comment me. If you need more any updates, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.